like this be a normal field trip? With a friend? No way! Oh.
Cruising on down Main Street, you're relaxed and feeling good. Next thing that you know, you see it. Puss in the neighborhood, surfing on.
Day 18-ish. Let's go. What up, y'all? Alright, this is like day 18 or 19, somewhere in there. Somebody comment and let me know what day I'm on. Some of the outlets ran all the way back to the panel. Still am waiting on the rest of my wiring to come in for the boxes that I'm putting in the ceiling. It is taking a little bit longer than I want just because I'm trying not to rush. I'm trying to do everything the right way. I want to take my time doing certain things to make sure that it looks the way that I'd like it. Like the pantry and the edge banding, to give it a finished look instead of just painting over it. So it's kind of slow right now. It's not as exciting footage as you guys probably would like, but that's just kind of how it goes with some projects, is you got to do the stuff that's boring sometimes. It's got to be boring every once in a while, guys. But I'm going to put music to the boring stuff, and it's going to seem like it's really fun. So stay tuned. I will be posting content on stuff that I've been doing throughout the week on top of my bus. Let's go. No pressure, you're on camera. That's okay. All right, update. The wirings ran to the air conditioning unit, to all the outlets. The cabinets, I started working on the cabinet doors for the pantry and for the closet. Those are finished. I have to use some wood filler, and then I can put a coat of paint on those. I took them out of the bus, so it's a little bit easier to work on them. The wire that I had, I used everything that I have, so now I'm waiting for the rest of it to come in the mail. I'm going to focus on taking all the wire that is ran already in the bus. I'm going to trace it back and get rid of all the wires that I don't need, tape them back up, get them looking nice, so that way when I put my walls up, the wires aren't going to stick out farther than they need to be. They'll actually be tucked in there, taped every 6 inches the whole way around the bus. And let's see if I can make this an easy process. I say that, but there hasn't really been too much easy processes quite yet with the bus. But I'm gonna move on with removing some of the wires I don't need. Let's see how bad this gets, guys. Starting at the very end of the wire bundle, which was the left side, anything that wasn't connected or that was already cut, I traced it all the way back to the electrical box on the side of the bus. Electrical is almost done. At least now I cleaned up some stuff. Brandon's gonna come over again once the rest of our product shows up, and we'll finish off the ceiling. All right, wires are all done. Moving on to the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the boring stuff with a little bit of music in the background to kind of keep it interesting. If you guys like the content, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. If you don't like the content, why are you even here, bro? Stay tuned. There'll be more content. You got it.